Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q3 of the weekly contest 279, Design Bitset. Not gonna lie, I feel like I've seen this problem before. I don't remember from where, but I mean, the core idea is not that tricky. So as long as you keep the core idea, I think it's fine. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, and let me know what you think about this problem. And the core idea is that for flip, that's the only expensive operation, because if you do all the other operations can be done in all one very trivially. Maybe not count if you are very sloppy, but you keep track of count pretty straightforward. So the only one that's tricky is flip, and then the idea is just thinking about what flip means. And once you figure out what flip means, then everything kind of falls into place. So let's go over a solution where we don't have a flip operation, right? And then that becomes pretty straightforward, including the count is the tricky part. Without it, then yeah, you just have an array, a Boolean array or a numbers array, it doesn't matter. This just sets it to 1. And of course, if you move from 0 to 1, you increment the count. If you go from and unfix is the same thing, right? If you go from 1 to 0, you decrement the count. And that's pretty much it. Or you can implement by having a count. If you already keep track of the count, then the or rule just means that the count is equal to the size n, right? 1 means that if the count is non-zero. That's basically the idea. And of course, this is just a for loop. You can't really repeat it, so it is what it is. And then flip, let's go back to this. Flip just means that instead of flipping all the bits that we did, we just have to think about what it means to change for every operation, right? That means that in the future, fix means changing from 1 to 0. And unfix means changing it from 0 to 1. Or means none, and 1 means or except for 1, I guess. And that's basically the idea when you implement the flip. And let's go over the code real quick. These are the 4 things that I keep track of. I actually probably could have just done an int array because I didn't realize there was a, oh, what happened to my code? That's really weird. Okay, give me a second. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. I feel like I've been using Firefox, and I think Firefox maybe does something weird. Okay, but yeah, so basically these are the 4 things that we care about. We have a lookup dictionary. Again, it could be an array because we need it for the two string anyway. But I at the time I didn't really think about it. And then total is just keeping track of the number of total ones, and is just the size that they give you. And flipped is whether it's flipped or not. And then now to go over an example, right? Let's say fix means that we want to flip it to 1. Or sorry, fix means that we want to set the bit to 1, right? If it's flipped, then we set it to 0 instead, and we decrement the total and so forth. We just basically keep track of everything that we care about in a consistent way. And unfix is the exact opposite. Flip just sets the flip bit. Or again, if there's no flip, then or means that the total is number of n, and if there is a flip, then it means that it's 0. Again, this is similar logic for the other ones. To go over, however, though, there'll be at least 1 core and at most 5 core. I shouldn't pay attention to that one. But yeah, but now the key part is noting that because of this flip trick, every operation that we do is O of 1, except for the toString, which is why they have this additional constraint. And that should be good enough. I'm going to let you see the code here real quick, and there actually is some opportunity to kind of make it cleaner, but this is my contest code. I just want to show you kind of, the raw version of it. Here's the fix, unfixed, and here's the rest. Cool. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. You could watch me solve it live in the contest next. Silly. You knew that. You were going to do it. Okay, fine. Okay, focus. Just 2 seconds I would have gotten it, but then I forgot. Okay. Flip each bit in bit. Okay. Okay, this is not that bad. I'm so annoyed, to be honest. Let's fix. Silly mistake. Fix is 2 to 1, okay. Oh, this is a little bit awkward, isn't it? Okay. If this is not equal to 0, then 7. And now same thing. Still a little tilted from Q2. I knew it, but oh well. If self.total is equal to self.n. Okay, if yeah, I mean, I know I could do if not if this is flipped, then okay. 1, what is 1 again? At least 1 is 0, so okay. So if it is flipped, or if this is not flipped, if they're normal, then return self.total is greater than 0. Otherwise return total is, if these are all ones, so if this is I think this is right? Because if self.total is every one of them, then n is flipped, then they're all zeros. Okay, cool. Count if flipped. I should also have called it something else. Also, this is if self.flipped. If this is not flipped, then it just returns self.total. ToString. What is ToString? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. If flipped. What am I doing? Okay. Okay. Okay, is this the right answer? There's no way to tell in an easy way. This is where I need 2 monitors or something. Forced true, no true. Okay. Well, I mean, I guess we'll see. Unknown error. I feel like I get a lot of unknown errors. Let's give it a submit. Hopefully this is right. Okay, cool. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. I'll see you later. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health, and take care. Bye-bye.